Hi, I'm going to show you how to issue a tender using Bandhoo app. You actually have two options to publish any tender. One is that you can send it to your set of pre-qualified subcontractors that you have already configured in our app, and the other is that you can publicly publish a tender. So the how do you configure your pre-qualified list? You can see this is the main home screen. The third button at the bottom here is the My PQ lists. If you click on that, it will show you. So I have in my account configured these pre-qualified list of subcontractors. For plumbers, I have these 6 names here. I can change the skill. So let's say if I take flooring as an example, there is another set of 5 contractors I've mentioned here, which are my flooring pre-qualified trusted subcontractors. If I take, let's say, masonry, that's another list of 4. Now, what I can do is I can basically, let's say, add more contractors here, which is I can say find more contractors. And I can see the list, and from this list I can very conveniently add to my PQ list. But I won't show that to you right now. I'm just showing you the list that I've already configured because I want to actually show you how to issue a new tender. Okay, so what you will do is you'll press this first button, which is a new tender. Here I have already pre-configured a set of projects. If you don't have any project, then you'll see the bottom option, which is the new project. You'll set up a new project. Right now, for the purpose of this demo, I'll just take an example. So let's say we'll take the we build demo as an example project. I click on a new tender. This is the screen I see. Okay, what do I say here? Is it a labor only contract or a labor and materials contract? If it's a labor only contract as an example, and I say it's a flooring contract, the quantity is in square meters. So let's say I say it is 10,000 square meters, and the rate I'm willing to pay is 22 rupees. Okay, 220 rupees per square meter. So that's the tender value. That is 22 lakh rupees is the tender value, and I want the person to mobilize, let's say, 20 workers for this job, and I want him to start the work on 16th of November, and I want the job to be done by 16th of January. So in 2 months I want the job to be done. On the bid submission deadline, I want the bids to come in by the 7th, which gives me enough time to complete. Then tender description is a short description. So I will say flooring in 3 BHK apartments, tile flooring, right? And I can basically save this tender. After saving, I can actually attach documents, which is BOQ and terms and conditions. So if I click here, so I can actually, for example, attach any kind of document. So if I say BOQ and bidding sheet, this can be attached. It is confirming. If I press OK, so that is attached here. BOQ and bidding sheet is attached here. Okay. Now I can attach more documents, which I'm not showing right now. And this tender is now saved. Now the next step is to publish the tender. So after the tender is saved, you go back to your home page. And you go to my tenders. And let's say this is the first one that this is the one that I've set up. So I view it. You can see this is a tender, and now on the top you can see publish tender, and there are 2 options here. So when I publish, you can publish it using the PQ list, or you can publish using the public list. So if you click on the PQ list, it will be published to the PQ list. If you click on public, then this published tender will be published to the larger population of all the subcontractors. In the bottom, you can see there is the concept of a group chat. So you can actually do a chat within the same tender. But this is how you basically publish a tender, either to your smaller list of your pre-qualified set of contractors, or publicly to a large set of every relevant contractor in that skill who's registered with Bandhoo. I hope this helps you understand how to post a tender and benefit from Bandhoo app. Thank you.